Today we have a video from Police Release, and the title of the video is Teen Gets Fired and Leaves Subway with a Felony.
On December 20th, 2025, officers were dispatched to Subway in response to a report of an employee causing a disturbance.
An employee causing a disturbance. Normally it's the customers.
How you doing? Oh, man, did you call?
I did. I'm sorry, so silent.
Okay.
She's calling her mom now.
Yeah, I'm calling my mom so she can get I'm put her home.
She was on a step stool ladder. Okay, and so when I walked in and I was looking for her, and she called me and said she was acting weird, stumbling, not really being herself.
Yeah,
So then I said, can you step down from there? Because she looked like she almost slipped.
Okay.
So then I said, what's going on? You almost slipped from it. You're not acting yourself. And you want, and I think this is how I am. And then she's like, I wasn't on no steps to a ladder. I wasn't on no steps to a ladder. So I told her I should get over here and show her the video. I said, there you are on the steps to the ladder. And then from there, it just went crazy. Do this. That my mom's gonna slap the shit out of you, but me, just to me.
Okay.
And she was totally in her bag, but I said, don't hold her back, step back. I asked her repeatedly for her mom's phone number. She got in my face right now saying her number. And I said, stop, calm down, I just want to get you home. I want to get you with your mom. That's it. Okay. Then she said, you think I'm stealing? I'm from Dallas, Texas. We don't give a fuck. Nobody's accusing her of stealing.
Yes.
We don't think she's stealing.
Just odd behavior at work.
Yeah, really odd behavior. She's not being herself.
Were you able to get in contact with your mom?
Yes, that's my mom. That's my
No. Were you
Yes.
able to call her?
Yes, that's my mom.
Have you spoken to your mom?
Yes, that's my mom. No, I'm telling you, that's my mom.
On that phone?
Yes.
Did you call her? Did you talk to her? Your mom?
Who are you?
Officer Peterson, excuse me.
What's your name?
Officer Peterson.
Peterson.
Yes.
Okay, got that.
Okay. Were you able to
No, I got
contact your
that.
mom?
No, I don't want to say no more.
Is anybody coming to pick you
No,
up?
I got somebody to pick me up.
Okay, perfect.
Exactly. I already know who your name is. I already know who your name is.
Yes, ma'am, it's right here.
Yes, it's
You want to write it down?
Peterson.
No? Okay.
No, I got it right.
Thank you.
I got it right in my
Perfect.
head.
So is anybody coming to pick you
So
up?
I'm in talking about you. Hey,
No, you can stay over here.
Okay. Hey, it's the fact that he want to say my name.
Do you mind if we talk? Is that cool?
I don't care if we talk.
Okay. Okay, just detain her for right now. Okay.
Ooh, time to get busy, boy. Woo. Listen. Y'all like, damn, why you pause it right here? I can see you through the screen, man. You like, why you pause it right here? Fuck this channel. You pause it in the good moments. You pause it too much. Listen, they gotta detain her. You know what I'm saying? She moving around. She doing too much. And she's young. Hold on. You don't have no authority you don't have no respect for authority. You see the way that she treated, her bosses or her, her coworkers or whatever the case may be. And then you see how she's just so dismissive against the officers and stuff. So you know what's gonna happen. Listen, look at mommy face right here, man. Look at the lady officer, man. She been waiting all day, man. She been waiting all day. We know how it is when it's a female officer and a female suspect. It's lit.
Just detain her for right now.
Act right.
You got it right on? I got this one.
We just need you to relax right now, okay? Okay.
I don't care.
Okay. I don't worry about that.
You good?
I don't care.
Better? Alright, let's pick her up, okay?
I don't care.
Enough. Okay, enough.
Wow.
Okay, let's get her. Okay.
You wanna walk? I don't care. Get the off of me.
Okay, let's go.
Get the off of me.
Oh. Careful.
Yeah, they got some good old manpower right there.
Get the off of me.
Did you guys get
Get
kicked?
off of me.
Okay.
Get off of me.
Are we gonna want to pursue charges? Anybody?
I got Jake.
Okay. Okay. No one's trying to.
We're just gonna put you in the car. I don't care. Okay. I don't care. I don't care. For us. I don't care.
So, do you guys want to wait for that wrap?
Or you guys, I think we should wait for the wrap.
I think so too. Watch your foot.
Watch your foot.
Okay, just put her on the ground. Just put her on the ground. Yeah, just keep her on the ground. Cross her legs. Okay. Okay. Watch. Remember, cross.
Cross them.
Figure 4.
Figure 4. Got him.
And come on. Oh, there you go. Okay.
Nana, can you tell us what you're on? What did you take? We want to be able to help you.
I didn't take anything.
You're not going to get in any trouble, okay? We just want to be able to best help you.
Please, it hurt.
Okay.
On my leg.
Your legs are hurting?
Yes, please, please.
Okay.
It hurts.
Well, you've been kicking my officers, and you almost kicked me. We can't have that.
It hurts, please.
Nana, can I sit you in my seat?
No, I'm done with this shit. I'm done.
So then what we're going to do is we're going to put you in a wrap, okay?
If you put me up, I will shoot this. I'll do about no legs. I'll shoot this.
I gotcha.
But y'all put me in this shit. I have PTSD. I can't.
I'm sorry about that.
I know.
The reason why is because
Yes,
you were
I know.
kicking and
I know. I was not kicking.
you kicked my
Yeah, so that's gonna go.
Yeah, I kicked the officer because I have PTSD. You do not know that shit. You don't know.
Did she say I got PTSD? Man, your life just beginning, man. You're like, wait. She said I got PTSD. Man, listen. I mean, I get it. Some people do have tough childhoods and stuff like that, whatever. But look, she's so young, she don't even know what rough is right now. You know what I'm saying? Wait until she's not living with mama. Okay, wait until she's living on her own, gotta pay for her own bills, her own food, her own this, her own that. You know? Shoo-wee.
You don't know me. So once I get up,
Yeah, technically, yeah.
I'm done. It's over with.
So she's clearly either 5'8" and code 16 or just heavy code 16 right now.
She
We were trying
on
to get a hold of
something.
like a mom because she's been really juicy. But she's like, you know what, I'm done. We're like, no, as soon as we get hands on, like a feral cat.
Oh, let's do a sport. Okay.
So it started in the little,
Just sport.
that little foyer in the front of the gas station. Got her down in there. I crossed on her, and as we started coming out, it was just
You sport.
the whole time.
But you're asking me
Shut
for
the
my badge number.
Shut the f up.
Okay.
Shut the f up. 114. You done.
1144.
114. You done. You gonna see about it.
Yeah, it's 114.
Yeah. You 114. You done. You gonna see
Yeah, the what?
about it.
My other
Okay.
Y'all wanna put my shit tight. Y'all wanna put my shit tight. Y'all wanna put my shit tight. You gonna see about it.
Make sure
It's a fight that act like the shit. They act like I'm with shit. We gonna see about it.
We don't use the R word.
What's your
Come on
badge
now.
number? Please, shut the fuck up. I don't want to hear your.
Good point. We can't use the R word. Yeah, man. You get canceled nowadays, man. Real sensitive. You can't use the R word, man.
You're gonna connect.
You see how they treat me? You see how they treat me? You see how they treat me?
No.
Exactly. You see how they treat me?
Okay.
Exactly. You see how they treat me?
Don't go that far.
Exactly. You see how they treat me?
Because he needs to.
Exactly. You see how they treat me? Exactly. You see how they treat me? You see how they treat me? You see how they treat police? They treat us. Shut the fuck up. They treat us. They see how they treat police? You see how they treat police? You see how they treat police?
Ah, we're good. She definitely under the influence of something. Don't know if she'll really give you guys a straight answer. She really hasn't given us any type of straight answer, even before we. Huh?
You want us to check her?
I mean, we can ask her. We have to ask her, but nonetheless. Okay. All right. Close it. Okay. You guys want to help him with the asking her questions real quick? See if she can get checked out. She's probably gonna give an answer, but just see. Want to ask her?
Yeah, she wants to get checked out.
Yeah, because she technically she had use of force.
We got the firefighters here. Do you want to get checked out?
Okay. You're good. You asked, you tried. Just close it.
Okay, hey.
Is she like leaning back or?
She's still leaning back.
Okay.
Reported, we came to disorderly. The manager called. She was in the manager's face. She said while she's at work, she's on a step stool, and she looked like she was gonna fall. She just looked odd, her behavior. And then, so as soon as one of the managers approached her, she got confrontational. She started cussing out the manager. The district manager arrived, started cussing her out, threatening was in her face. So when we arrived, they were at each other. She was on the phone trying to call her mom. So we immediately separated her from the manager. I spoke to the manager. We spoke
She
to
already
her.
kicked him twice. I think she
And
kicked him once.
we think her pupils are huge. I think she's up to 16. She began to walk out. We tried to keep her here. And she started fighting us in the lobby.
I think we need to get her to the hospital.
We call 555 again?
Oh shit. Yeah. Call him back. Okay. Tell him. Is she breathing?
We're gonna try to get you some help, okay? But you're gonna throw up again. You let us know.
I don't take any good food.
Okay. Well, regardless, just let us know.
Is her nose bleeding? Or she just about us?
Throw up.
Oh, yeah. Damn. So probably what we might do is I think we might have him ride with her. You guys will drive the pool unit, I'll drive his unit, and we'll all just. Yeah. Are you gonna go with her?
I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, I'll bet. Then I'll do it. I'll take yours. Just let him know. I'll take. This one's yours, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll take yours. They'll take the pool. We'll caravan. We'll ask him right now.
Damn, my boy look fresh out the academy, boy. He got the. Damn, damn, he fresh out, man. No facial hair. He still got the comb. He got the comb over style. Golly.
Are you gonna go with her?
I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, I'll bet. Then I'll do it. I'll take yours. Just let him know. I'll take. This one's yours, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll take yours. They'll take the pool. We'll caravan. We'll ask him right now. So I think the makeshift plan is Gabby will ride ambulance. They'll take the pool. I'll be behind them in the pool in Gabby's unit, and then we'll just 87 whatever. All right, just don't. Like I said, just follow them. If there's a light, kick on your lights because we need to stay with them, obviously, because she is code-19. Granted, there will be an officer with her, but still, just in case if they have to pull over, we're right there. So same thing. Like if a light goes on, I'm gonna kick my lights on and be like. Okay. So. No, so Gabby's gonna go in the ambulance, and then we're all gonna just go to what hospital?
Are you gonna leave her, or you want to take her out of the?
I would leave her in.
Okay.
Because she kicked him twice, tried to kick him. Okay. It's a whole shebang.
The woman was terminated from her employment and charged with battery on a peace officer and assault on a peace officer.
She got some real demons going on, man. She better get it under control. Better get it under control, because the way that she had it, it's not a bright future.